So what we're talking about here is our hero, Jack Herer, the author of The Emperor Wears No Clothes. So what we're talking about here with Jack Herer's legs is that Jack is unfortunately afflicted with diabetes. And as a result of the diabetes, you can see there are old...
80% of my legs have gone 100% no healing in them at all.
Numb.
Yeah, they're numb.
The progression of diabetes is loss of circulation, loss of nerve tissue, and scratches and scrapes, ulcers, gangrene, amputation, and death. That's the progression of the disease.
Yeah, but not now.
Not now, because of the holy anointing oil, which is exactly as described in the Bible in Exodus 30, and it contains 16 ounces of marijuana for every quart of oil that is produced. So what we've done is we've been rubbing Jack's legs with this holy anointing oil right out of the Bible, and Jack's lesions have all gone away, the swelling has all gone away, the edema, the ulcers that he had have all been healed, and we haven't done this regularly since January. He only got a treatment from the end of October, November, and December. So we're only talking 2.5 months of treatment. This is holy anointing oil. This is the oil right out of the Bible. So you can see it's a nice green color. Now this particular batch is the first time I did a multi-temperature extraction. So I extracted it at a very low temperature, and I got all the green color from the botanical material that would come out at a low temperature without being changed the way any green leaf, when you cook it, changes color. Well, it's got some of the raw green in there. And then I cooked it at 2 higher temperatures successively to develop more and more of the botanical materials that were susceptible to extraction at the higher levels of heat. And previously I'd been just cooking it to 1 high temperature, and I noticed that I was losing botanicals. When I'd first start the process and I'd first be cooking it, there'd be this beautiful green color, and then it would fade and turn brownish, and I'm going, well, what happened to that nice green color? I really like that. And then I thought, well, in my recipe I'll just use 1/3 of the oil, low temperature, 1/3 medium temperature, and 1/3 high temperature. I did it the first time and I got that beautiful green, came right into it. So this has got 1 ounce of marijuana equivalent in every ounce of oil. Okay, so that's 32 ounces per quart, 32 fluid ounces per quart, which is twice as much as the Bible recipe. The Bible recipe actually only calls for 16 ounces per quart of oil, which would be 1/2 ounce per ounce. 1/2 ounce of marijuana per every fluid ounce of oil. So this is the stuff that we've used to heal Jack Herer's legs. So here's a man who dedicated his life to an herb, and now the herb's saving his life.